Last autumn, we spent 8 weeks outside replacing our roof. We spent lots of nights outside in the cold rain. When this was complete, we'd had enough of being outside and turned our focus into the inside of the property, where we dug out floors, poured the new concrete, knocked out lots of walls, stripped the rooms back to its shell, and we even installed the skylights in our extension. We've had the scaffolding removed from the front of the property, but we have kept the scaffolding at the back as we still have the parapet wall to finish. The footage you're going to see now is back from December, when we started building the parapet wall.
Today we're going to tackle the internal skin of the gable end in here. I just need to take that block out. We bought some lightweight blocks to put in because it is backbreaking trying to stretch over the cavity and get it done. So internal skin, lightweight blocks, external skin, dense concrete blocks, and I'm going to try and cut into the shape of this gable, and hopefully we'll have it finished today. Right, so the GoPro's died, but I'm on my last cut here. I just need to notch a piece out now for the ridge, and what I've done is I've taken it to the underside of the rafters where I've left a bit of a gap. Well, as you can see, I've left the thickness of a level which is about 35-40 mil, and then so much crap in the way, guys. I've got to get my last cut in here, which is going to go under that ridge into next doors and then along here like so. This is all in nice and level on this side, so I'm hoping there's level on the internal. I just need to go in, scrape all the snobs off once I've got this all in. And as you can see, I've left a gap between this blockwork and there, which is 50 mil. So that means my plasterboard will fly across, touch this wall, and then plasterboard will shoot up underneath. So yeah, insulation needs to go in now this side once it's ready. And then we've got a bit of a void there. And I'm thinking maybe fire rated expandable foam all the way, which will create a like a waterproof barrier between this brick and that brick. This is what it looks like from the inside, guys. What I'm calling the gable or pine end of our extension. All I'm going to do now is just run a couple of timbers across the rafters and fix them in, and then just put a strip of timber down on against the blockwork and make sure it's fixed in, just to prevent any wind blowing in, because we are having some really high winds, gusts of 50-60 miles an hour. So I just want to make sure there's no movement so it cracks the mortar. The plan for this afternoon, guys, is we're going to fold the rubber back, and we're going to go through the cavity, have a look, start finishing off the insulation, bringing it up to level. Once you've got all the insulation done and fixed in, and we've got all our ties fixed out, I can then start building up the corners in the blockwork, which is going to be 1.5 courses. And then once I've got all the corners built up, I can then start running in the blocks. So as you can see, we've had the scaffolding removed from the front and down to the side. I've just asked them to finish it here so we can finish the blockwork in this sort of detail. It's taken us so long to get this blockwork finished, mainly because we're focusing on sorting the upstand. We replaced the roof. We've done a lot of internal works over the Christmas period because it's pretty much freezing out all the time. So we're getting back to the warmer weather. So it's going to be +5 degrees now. So we can start finishing the blockwork. Then once I do the blockwork, we can then look at getting the capping sorted.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna 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 be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit.
Right, so it's another day, guys. Just need to finish the insulation off on the top right here, in this corner and on this gable end, and then we can crack on with other works. This is going to be the last piece of insulation for the gable end, so hopefully it fits. I'm just going to do a couple of cuts now quickly to do my corners, build my corners up. So they're going to be half cuts with a full block on top. I'm just going to quickly use my grinder to cut these. Right guys, I've cut all the slips all the way around here, or not slips, I don't know, well, whatever you call them. I've cut all the bricks all the way around, ready to go. Which are going to return by here, and then once all those are in, I can put the next full blocks on, and I'll finish the parapet wall. Just got a mix on now, so we're ready to go. So guys, we are now doing this corner here. I've built the first course of the corner over here and this corner, just running this through. Now I've done this, I'm going to start building the final course on the corners. I'll do the same down the other end. Once I've done that, I can run the rest of these cuts in, and then we can start focusing on the full blocks. As you can see, got this row running. I haven't done the middle because it's cuts to do. They're all ready down that side to go. We're up to height now with this orange string line, so I will be able to run all my full blocks in later in the week. It's now coming Monday tomorrow, so gonna clean up now, get these wall ties fixed into the timber up stand to get the final course fixed in. I know it's not perfect, but we do it every 2 perps. So yeah, that's the plan, and we'll get that finished tonight, and we'll catch up with you in a bit. Hey guys, so it's been a little while since the last clip you've just seen. As you can see, we've got the skylights installed. But today I'm going to focus on trying to get the gable end finished. So I've got a couple of cuts ready to go. I get them in, a few full blocks, and then I just need to cut a few more blocks around these bricks and get them tuffed in. Once I've done that, I can then start making my way back over to this long run and get some of the full blocks in.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to catch up with us in next week's video, where we complete the parapet, we add the ply to the top and get ready for the aluminium capping to arrive. Thanks for watching.